area of a triangle. Area of the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Or you can look at it as area equals 1/2 base times height. And now the base is how long, and the height is how tall, but not the length of the diagonal line. And so the height must meet the base at the right angle. So let's look at an example. So example 1, find the surface area of the renal pyramid with a renal medulla. So in order to solve for this, we know that this right angle is when two lines meet and they form the edge of a perfect square. And so let us solve. So we know the formula, which is area times 1/2 base times height. So area is equal to 1/2. Now the base is right here, so we know that it's 4. Height is 3. We'll plug in 3 there. So we could then just multiply 1 times 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Divided by 2, which is equal to 6. And for labeling purposes, we're going to say that this is in inches. And so you would label as inches squared. So let's look at another example. So we're going to find the surface area of this triangle. And so for this example, we have an extra number that we do not need. According to our guidelines, we need to use a height that intersects with a base and a right angle. A right angle will form a square. And since a line length of 3 does not intersect with a base of 4 and a right angle, this number is not the height. So let's look at the number 2. This number does not intersect with the base of 4 at the right angle. So our height is now 2 and our base is 4. So now let's put this into a formula. So we have area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So this is equal to 1/2. Our base is now 4 multiplied by 2. And so when we multiply across, we have 4 times 2, which is 8, divided by 2, which is equal to 4. So when finding the area of a renal pyramid or any triangle, find the area of multiplying by 1/2 times the base times the height. However, remember that the height must intersect the base at a perfect right angle.